There is a powerful new force to be considered in the marketplace of public transport. An organization dedicated to working with forward-thinking companies who have realized the advantages of extending the life and enhancing their passenger-carrying fleets. An enterprise which is opening up major avenues of profitability for its customers, harnessing the highest standard of engineering skills to an awareness of cash flow and cost effectiveness. MTL Engineering has the stature to handle any challenge, from the renovation of a single component part to the complete rebuilding of a double-decker fleet. This is a typical example of what MTL Engineering saw as a public transport market requirement: the ability to extend the life of an existing vehicle in order to save a fortune on the purchase of a new one. This double-decker was bought new in 1981. Less than 9 years later, it had to be taken out of service. A full structural survey identified severe corrosion to both near and offside stress panels. Hoops around wheel arches had rotted away, waist and skirt panels were badly corroded, and it was one of the worst examples of deterioration ever encountered by MTL engineers. It was decided to restore and refurbish the vehicle to the highest standards, using the full resources of MTL Engineering, its extensive workshops, specialist equipment, and highly skilled craftsmen. It was at this stage that MTL, a subsidiary of Merseyside Transport Limited, realized that one of the most important gaps in the market was waiting to be filled. As a specialist engineering company, MTL realized that it could help to extend the life of existing public service vehicles, not just to keep them on the road longer, but improve passenger comfort and at the same time reduce overall capital costs. When the engineers at MTL got their hands on vehicle 1847, the old girl was in a terrible state. MTL gave her a new lease of life. They stripped out her engine and transmission system components, and the refurbishment restructure even began to exceed the manufacturer's original specifications. Her 680 engine, DPA 2 fuel pump 5-speed Leyland gearbox angle drive were taken apart and put together again. Her CAV alternator and CAV U6 starter were overhauled and Clayton convection heating installed. She was given modular display lighting and even video security cameras. Her AN68 chassis was steam cleaned, subject to crack inspection analysis, and then protected with micaceous iron oxide. Even her front was redesigned to improve her appearance, with a new style radiator grille, sheet metal panels, as well as moulded sections prepared in MTL's own fiberglass shops. Not bad for an old bird thought to be past it. MTL engineers even had plans for her passengers. As the competition in transport gets more intensive, MTL Engineering believes that improvements will be necessary to meet the public's rising expectations. So 1847 was to get Tarabus flooring with improvements to our handrails and luggage pen, new soft trim and coach-type seat frames. Even a driver was on for a Chapman Nova seat with lumbar support, and if you're sitting comfortably, we'll continue. MTL Engineering is based at one of the largest facilities in the country, specifically geared to this work. As the signs of rust or mechanical deterioration get worse on your vehicles, you could contact your dealer for something new. Or you could, as MTL believes, consider the advantages that their service has to offer. For a start, it matches every rigorous quality control and performance standard. MTL Engineering can handle the comprehensive reconditioning or indeed the remanufacture of engines, transmission systems and all ancillary mechanical units, including fuel pumps and compressors. To ensure maximum operating efficiency, the performance of all equipment is checked prior to handover, using Hartridge test equipment and our own engine dynamometer test facilities. MTL can provide a comprehensive fault diagnosis and renovate all auto-electrical components to meet or even enhance the manufacturer's original specifications.
For 86, an excellent choice, sir. Your starter, sir.
I bet MTL.
Eats, Carling Black Label.